Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Field. Today we're going to talk about pressure versus reflection. I know I've discussed this in videos in the past and stuff, but I still keep getting the same questions over and over again. So I think it's worthwhile to revisit this topic because both of them are critical to audio. Both of them are completely misunderstood. And if you don't understand the difference, you'll never understand the treatment objectives and you'll never get the good quality sound that you want. So pressure versus reflection. Pressure. Anything below 100 cycles, for purposes of this discussion, we're going to call pressure. It's wave energy. It's very long waves that oscillate through our room. The cycles can be every 2 feet. They can be every 3 feet, depending on frequency. So you have to realize that this is a pressure wave. Okay? How does that differ from reflections? Reflections are rays of energy. So we have waves, just like the ocean, and then we have rays, and you can think of that as sunlight. So sunlight is thin energy, and you can see that all over. And then the ocean waves, if you go sit on the beach, you can see the oscillating waves. So the waves are pressure. The rays are what produce middle and high frequency reflections. Both require completely different treatments. What's the treatment for waves, low frequency pressure? We have diaphragmatic absorption. We have Helmholtz resonators. Okay, those are some really popular ways to treat it. Membrane, which is a cousin of diaphragmatic. How do we treat rays or sunshine? We use sound absorption foams. Okay, anything that impacts airflow, because middle and high frequency rays are molecular velocity, air movement. So we have to have the right treatment. If we put foam to treat low frequency pressure or waves, it's like going out into the ocean and holding up a piece of paper to stop a wave. The wave is going to bust right through that paper, okay? Because it's so powerful and has so much energy. So we have to have technology that has the strength and the horsepower to deal with the energy of the wave. Rays are completely different. They're reflections in our room. They're middle and high frequency reflections. So as long as we have the right amount of surface area, the right rate and level of absorption and coverage in the room, and it's open to air movement, we're okay. That's why you hear a lot of people say, when you put sound absorption technology in your room, bring it away from the wall so the air can circulate around it. That way you utilize both sides. Our foam technology is designed that way. We have a mounting system that keeps it away from the wall. So the air movement gets the front and the back. What's that do for you? Saves you a lot of money because you're using both sides of the foam. If you put it flat against the wall, no air movement on the back, and you're only using the front. So completely different. Pressure and reflections, waves and rays. Please keep that in mind because the treatment objectives and designs are so different that you'll spend more time chasing your tail. I have people call, say, well, I use foam and it doesn't work for the garbage truck noise outside. Well, it can't. Okay, so be careful with it. Define the problem, address the solution with the proper technology. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.